Knock, knock, knock. Can I come in? Hello. Hi, Mr. Bob. I'm here to feed you today. Let me first wash my hands. Okay, and I'll provide you some privacy. All right. So, can you please state your name for me? Okay. And then let me take a look at your ID band. Okay, very good. Today we are having pizza, watermelon, hot dog, and a glass of water. Which one would you like to start first? You want some pizza? So here's some pizza. Okay, and then we're gonna feed you. Okay, and then are you done chewing? Which one would you like to have next? You want some watermelon? Okay, there you go. Okay. Are you done chewing? What would you like to have next? Some hot dog? Okay, here you go, some hot dog. Okay, very good. Would you like something to drink? Okay, get you something to drink. Okay, very good. Okay, are you finished? Would you like to eat more? No? Okay.